Coach, just update preview on the weekend's game against Royal AM in the Carling Cup.
Yeah, obviously we've drawn Royal AM in the Carling Cup first round, and we obviously played them not so long ago in the league, where unfortunately we only managed to get a draw. So obviously what becomes important, we're playing at home, that we go out there and we play with a lot of energy and intensity, and obviously look to try and get ourselves into the next round of the Carling Cup. This season we would like to see ourselves collecting one of the trophies, so this is an opportunity that we need to try and grab with both hands, and we know very, very well that it's not going to be easy. All the games are going to be tough, but when you're an ambitious club like us, you've got to step up, and that's what we want to do come tomorrow. Ensure that we see ourselves into the next round of the competition.
And just in terms of squad, Coach, any injuries?
We had a couple of concerns. Obviously, we had Prince away with Namibia, and we had Petrus away with Namibia, and both of them picked up small knocks. But everything so far looks like they should be fit and ready to play. They obviously joined in full training yesterday and today, so they seem to have come through that without any major issues. Fortune Makaringe unfortunately picked up a knock and injury, so he'll obviously not be available for this game. But yeah, everybody else is now fit and ready to play.
And just in terms of managing expectations, you do say you want to go out and compete for every cup competition. Semi-finals in the NTN 8. What will you need to do differently this time just to go a step further?
Well, like I said, you've got to play with the energy and intensity and a lot of positivity. You've got to believe that you can get into that next round, and you've got to believe that you can possibly go all the way.
And just in terms of where your team's at, you signed a lot of additions in the off-season. You've seen them now in a few games. In terms of where you want your team to be and where they are, how happy are you with
No,
that?
I think we still got a lot of work to do, but unfortunately the league so far this season has been a stop-start. A lot of breaks in between. We've only really played 3 matches so far this season in the league. So now we would like to see ourselves obviously getting better game by game. The games are going to come thick and fast now, not going to be easy. And we're going to need a full squad, everybody available, everybody wanting to work for the objectives of the club, and obviously look to improve their own personal objectives this season.